Hey guys, Joe here with Doji Trading, and tonight we are going to go over the Probot music section so that we can set up your Discord and get all those fancy tunes playing. So first things first, what we're going to do is just go ahead and shoot over to the Probot.io website and make sure that you've already added it to your Discord if you have, or if you haven't, just go ahead and watch one of the prior videos. If you have, let's just go ahead and jump right into the dashboard. And what we're going to go ahead and do is select the server that you are utilizing that you want to go ahead and put the music in, and right down here we have the music button. So we're just gonna go ahead and click on that for now, and this gives us a list of all of the commands that we can use inside of Discord to get the music to play in our server. So let's just go ahead and take a look at the Discord real fast, and here we are. So what I went ahead and did in here is I actually set up a little testing area so that I'm not troubling all my other users while I'm working out the details, and we're going to go over all of them so that we can kind of get a feel for how they operate. And the one thing that you definitely need to have is a voice channel dedicated probably to music. And the reason for it is you need to actually be in a voice channel in order to hear the music. Well, at least with Probot, and from what I've tested, that's kind of how that works. So that's what I went ahead and did, is I created a nice little music section down here so that that is in fact that's exactly what we get. So we're just gonna go ahead, take a look over here. We're gonna take a look at the first one we got. So the first one we got is play, right? So let's just hop back over to Discord, and what you're gonna notice is if you type play in the name of a song, it's going to tell you that you need to be in a voice channel first. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually jump into a voice channel. I'm going to go ahead and jump in. I'm going to go ahead and connect to the music channel that I created. And then I'm going to mute myself because I don't want anybody to jump in and hear my beautiful voice. But then all I'm going to do is go ahead and try that again. So here we go. Play. And we're going to go with dragons. All right, so picking back up where I left off, I went ahead and stopped. I had to stop the music because I didn't want the YouTube algorithms to pick it up and cause any problems. So what we're going to do now is simply go over the next set of steps. I mean, the music was playing, everything was fine. That's how you get it to work. And when you're inside of here and you see that little bot that pops in, it's just letting you know that the music's playing. So the next thing we're going to do is try the search function command. Search dragons, and what this does is actually really cool. It finds all of the different songs that kind of popped up on that search. Now you may be able to change that search method, but as of right now, like let's say you want "Do dragons really exist?" number 3, you would click number 3, and what would happen is the Probot would then go ahead and activate, because you can tell that by the little color circle over here that it's up and running, and it's playing that number. So what we're going to go ahead and do now is just add another one to the queue by loading up another song. So okay, we put Boo in there, and I'm not sure what that is, and then play Happy Birthday. All right, so now we have a couple songs that are in the list, right? So let's take a look at that. All right, here's the queue. So the queue shows us what songs are in the list actively. So let's go ahead and jump back over here. So we did the play. Yep. We did not do the skip yet. We did do the search. Yep. Queue. We did. That kind of shows us what songs are in the queue. Stop. We did. That stops the song. Volume and pause. Well, they do just that. You change the volume or you change the pause. But let's just go ahead and take a look, because I think the volume actually might be a pro feature. I don't remember. So we'll just put like volume 80, right? Let's see if that works. Okay, so there you go. It is a premium only function, not a big deal. We'll pop back over here. Skip. We didn't do it, but now let's just go ahead and pop back over here. We'll go ahead and hit it just to hit it. So skip. All that's going to do is go ahead and skip that song into the next one. So if there is a queue, which actually went down by 1, it'll only have that song which is next on the list to go to. So that's that. Let's go ahead and jump back over, see what else we got going on over here. We have NP, which shows the song that's currently playing. Let's go ahead and give that one a go. All right, so it looks like, well, that's kind of cool. Um, Fascinating. I might actually have to try that. I might have to tinker around with that when this, when I'm not recording, simply so I can see what it actually does. I'm not sure where it's at right now on the stream side, because I did deafen it so I can't hear anything, but you can use this emoji. Oh, it's just, maybe that just doesn't do anything. Maybe that, oh, okay. So all this is telling me is where it's at in the song, you know, of its total length. I can't actually fast forward or anything like that. Yeah, it's just hoo tricky. All right, so they got me. And again, it's still going. You can see that it's still going. The bot is actually still running because it's still got that little circle on it. So it is still playing its songs. But again, we're not listening to it. So we'll hop back over here. We have repeat, seek, and 24/7. So repeat should be just that. Should just be a repeat of the song. Let me see if it gives any special functions when you type it. Okay, repeat mode is on. Pretty much just gonna keep playing the same song. Let me see if I type it again, if it takes it off. Okay, pretty self-explanatory. Let's try seek. Let me see if it asks for like special commands. Example, seek 212. Got you. All right, so let's seek 2 minutes, right? Because that other one was 2 minutes and 14 seconds. All right, good deal. So it looks like it did just do that. We can't hear it, but I'm pretty sure that's what it did. And I know because, I mean, my kids actually jump in here and they use this in a personal server to just listen to music. So it kind of saves them from being in the YouTube environment, which is actually kind of nice. So for your kids, if you want to kind of keep control over what they're listening to, and my kids are extremely young, so this is just a little bit better so they don't fall down that rabbit hole. But anyways, yeah, that's how you can do that. And then we're gonna go ahead and take another look back over here at the browser. Let's see what else we got. And we got 24/7. So essentially, you know, maybe we got like the DJ thing going on. Toggles 24/7 mode. This makes the bot doesn't leave the channel unless you stop it. Okay, so all that pretty much does is we come back over here. If we turn it on, which we're just gonna go ahead and do. Okay, there you go. There you go. Even better for me. It's a premium only thing. That doesn't really mean anything to me as far as like what, you know, if I needed it in there 24 hours a day, just running nonstop. I mean, I guess it's a nice feature, you know, maybe chill, low vibes. I don't know, but it's not a necessity for me. So, it doesn't really bother me. And I hit stop and it goes, and you can see that it actually disconnects the bot from the chat and the songs are over. So we're going to go ahead and pop right back over to the browser. I did have a question the other day on how this right here came to be, how I had the exclamation point, not the hashtag. On when you go over here to server settings, I just went ahead and changed it right here in the prefix. So if you want to use something else, you want to customize it and set that, you're going to set that there. So that about does it for the music. If you guys have any questions, suggestions, or concerns, just let me know in the comments below. As always, you're welcome to join the Discord. And I hope to see you guys there, obviously, because the more things you bring for me, the more content I can create for you. But outside of that, until next time, this is Joe with Doji Trading. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you when I see you.